Hello everybody, it's Holger Mueller here from Constellation Research, here with IBM's Sriram Raghavan, talking about one of the most exciting things these days, which is, of course, generative AI, ChatGPT, all the hype around this. What is IBM's story, Sriram?
Awesome, Holger. Pleasure to be here and exciting. And it's clearly one of those amazing moments where we've seen a demonstration of what a technology can do. And look, from an IBM perspective, we're thrilled and excited about the possibility that this whole space of technology around generative AI and foundation models is going to offer to enterprises. Our point of view is that one, we're going to see the use of generative AI and foundation model technologies in the enterprise domains to drive business process transformation, to drive automation, to drive significant value. And I want to sort of add this color that the core technology that we're excited about is foundation models.
That's very interesting, right, gentlemen? Because tell us, what is a foundation model, right? Because not many people speak about foundation models when it comes to generative AI. It's all the big things, ChatGPT, BART, and so on. Tell us, what's a foundation model?
So look, foundation models are a way to create powerful representations from data without having labeled data. There was always the issue within enterprises. I don't have enough labeled data. Well, foundation models let you create powerful representations without requiring a lot of labeled data. And once you create a foundation model, you can use it to perform many tasks, both generative and non-generative tasks. Obviously, the generative tasks are amazing and interesting. They let you do new things. And we at IBM are working on generating code, for example, or generating new kinds of molecules. So absolutely, generative is interesting, but the core technology of foundation models that enables generative AI has broad applications. And what's most exciting to us from enterprises is the rapid scale it's going to create.
Very interesting. What should people looking at this now say? How do I figure out who has a better foundational model? What makes a great foundational model for an enterprise to do anything in the AI space?
So the top level, we don't believe that there's going to be like one model to rule the world. Okay, so the technology of creating foundation models is important, is amazing, and it's going to be harnessed by enterprises using models they build on their own, models that IBM will offer based on trusted, governed data and technology and the best of breed architectures. And it could be models created in the open that may form a base for our clients to build on top. But we absolutely believe that there's going to be a world of many models. We believe in an open platform and an approach that allows enterprises to take the best of breed models, but most importantly, enhance, fine-tune, and adapt with enterprise data. That's where differentiation is going to come from. And that's where enterprises have to lean in hard.
Very good point. Excellent. So you have to really pay attention that it's not a consumer-created model or it's sprawled something on the internet, anything that could get hold of, but it's enterprise-ready and specific to the enterprise potentially too, correct?
Exactly. And look, enterprises are sitting on mountains of valuable data. That's an asset. So you want to be able to harness the power of creating these models. You can start with models open from IBM, and we offer best of breed models in a number of domains that are created and with a process that we stand behind, curated and made available. But we totally are about also offering a platform for enterprises to bring their data, to fine-tune, adapt, and deploy the model. Look, the real value eventually is not in the model A versus model B. What do you put it to use for? And for us, the big item is automation.
Perfect. Yeah, it's automation. But then there's also hardware expertise from the IBM side, right? So let's talk about that a little bit.
Yes. Look, there are two parts to this world, right? There's this world of building foundation models, which tends to be a large activity, lots of GPUs, expensive compute, and so on. And then there's this world of adapting and fine-tuning to create models for individual tasks and purposes. And our approach is to offer a platform which has two characteristics. One, it's a hybrid platform. It lets you leverage this technology where your data is, where your enterprise is operating. And most of the clients we talk to live in a hybrid world, some on-prem, some on other clouds, some on private clouds. We're going to offer a platform that lets you do this wherever your data is. The second characteristic, fit for purpose and optimized. You don't always have to do inference against the 300 billion parameter model every time. That may be the way you create value, but then we distill and create fit for purpose models that you can then run on GPUs and very soon run on phones and edge devices and all of that good stuff that's going to come.
Perfect. Well, this is very interesting, Sriram. I learned a lot, right? It's not only about having the big models, it's about the foundational models, about having the enterprise data there and run them effectively, efficiently, because we know that is very important to have the insights faster, earlier, cheaper than potentially the competition. Perfect. Let me thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thanks for being with us, Sriram.
Thank you, Holger. Pleasure to be with you.